Takot ka ba sa erasures mo during the boards? Nag-overthink ka na ba kasi ang dami mong erasures as di mo sure kung babasahin ba ng PRC yung exam paper mo? Well, let's talk about that. Nung nag-boards ako, napakarami ko ring erasure. So, the week before the results, sobrang overthink ko rin kung tatanggapin ba yung papel ko. Kasi diba sabi nila sa mga review center ng ibang tao na wag ka daw mag-e-erase na halata because there's a high chance na madadena yung paper mo or di nila i-check. Pero as a personal experience, for me, it's okay to have erasures during the board. Di mo yun dapat i-overthink as long as malinis pagka-erase mo. Tsaka wala kang bits of paper na nakuha dahil sa pagbura mo, diba? For context, yung erasures ko mga nasa 15 to 20. Sa buong exam, so napakarami, diba? Iisipin ng iba. Pag ganyan, bagsak na kasi magkakamali pag-check or something. Pero I found out na kahit 15 to 20 yung erasures ko, I still managed to top the boards, diba? So don't overthink na I believe na our machines sa PRC are smart enough to know kung erasures ba yun o hindi. And if you're using the right pencil, there's no need to worry, so don't overthink. Manifest mo na lang napapasa ka. Diba?